Anybody that's lost their lives defending this country and its interests abroad, we're going to go ahead and ask that all the guys remove your hats, bow your heads. We'll start off with a moment of silence.
Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Justin with Factor 55. We're out here today. I got Zach here as well. So we're going to actually give away one of our Ultra Hooks and also one of our 1.0 Fairlead. So for any of you guys that have been looking to upgrade some of your winching or recovery components, we do have good deals on equipment here all day today, but also going to be raffling off kind of our top end pieces. And then we also have some custom Boise Idaho Jeep Club cookies that are coming out of Sweet Syringa Bakery that we're also going to have over there too as well. So it'll be great for the kids and also, unless if you're a cookie fan too as well. So come by, check it out. Come talk to us.
Harley, Will, Shane, all you guys for helping out. This is just fantastic. Dave, you know I love you. You're my man right there. So this has been a phenomenal event, man, and just want to say, so we're going to raffle off our Ultra Hook with a rope guard and a 1.0 Fairlead. We also got a cookie sets that are Boise Idaho Jeep Club, like logoed cookies. They're so good, right? From the Sweet Syringa baking company, so we're going to do those too. Let's get to the raffle. Here we go. 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 4, 4. For Brittany Mitchell? Oh, who said that? Yep. Oh, all right. Well, Brittany's the big winner, man. So got it right here for her. Okay, awesome. We're gonna do it's gonna be a set of two. It's gonna be a set of two little cookies that are right here. We're gonna do that for Sweet Syringa. They got the Jeep Club logo on them. They're sweet, like literally. I know. Here we got a 3-pack of the cookies. Super sweet. Oh yeah, that's gonna be. Oh, there it goes, right there. Yeah.
They're so good, man.
Congratulations, man. That's awesome. Woo! 5-minute person. At least we got one. Right here. Okay, I got one more thing. Who likes the color blue? Okay, she was the first one I saw. Here we go.